redzentea. Thanks so much for tuning into my tea tip. I thought we would talk about tea baths. Tea baths are amazing. Since your skin is the largest organ in your body, it's able to absorb the tea more quickly and more efficiently through your skin. How do you do this? How do you reach this type of satisfaction? Getting all those antioxidants and anti-aging ingredients into your skin just by absorbing it? Yes, it is truly that good. So how do you do it? You can do green tea baths, you can do white tea baths. White tea has been known to really have a super anti-aging benefit for your skin. So that one's going to be super essential. But you can also use green tea as well, which has been used mostly throughout the world. You can find them, green tea sachets for baths, pretty much anywhere in Japan or in, different countries. But here in the United States, it's something that's just becoming popular. So yeah, you can get, pre-made tea bags and stuff like that for the bath at CVS, Target, different stores. The only risk that you run with that is that you're not getting very high quality tea in those types of tea baths. The best rule of thumb I would give you would be to make sure that you're getting quality loose leaf tea that you actually put in your own sachets. That way you know what's going into the bath. You can blend different ingredients. For instance, you can do a chamomile and lavender bath, mix equal parts, about 3 tablespoons total, and then you can do what's called those ready to go or travel tea bags. You can use those, or you can use like an old t-shirt, tie it together, put the tea leaves in there, let it soak. Remember, you want the water to be a little bit warmer because you really want it to infuse into the water. Give it about 3-4 minutes to infuse, and then relax in that tea bath for about 15 to 20 minutes. You could use white tea, you could use green tea. Those are the most popular. You could use oolong. Oolong is great for rashes or if you have eczema. It's been known to help with inflammation and also redness and actually clearing up the skin. So depending on what you want to get out of it, whether it's anti-aging benefits, refreshing looking skin, depends on which kind of tea you actually want to use. For refreshing and tightening of the skin, you're going to probably want to use green tea, because that has a little bit more caffeine, and that will help tighten up the pores and give you more of a refreshed, softening type look. With anti-aging, you're going to want to use more white teas, and then for the rashes or different type of skin ailments, I would use oolong tea. I hope that my tea tip helps you. I hope you guys try it at home. If you have any questions or anything else you guys would like to know about, please don't forget to comment below, and go ahead and follow me on my different profiles for Instagram. I have redzentea, which is my personal account, and I also have, which you see here, these videos, and then I also have redzentea, which also has a lot of great tea tips and information. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.